Welcome, my friends. My name is Teacher Jen, and I'm so excited to do a little color experiment with you. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to need to do is go ahead and get 3 containers of water. You can do more if you would like. We also have a stirring stick and some food color. So we're going to start with yellow because I want to see what happens when we combine yellow and blue together, okay? And then we're going to see what happens when we combine yellow or red and blue together. All right, so we're going to just add some drops in there. Doesn't have to be a certain amount. You're just trying to get a nice color consistency. So I'm guessing to start, and then I might have to go, oop, I think I need a little more red. Red is the color that usually needs more. Okay, and then we're just going to slowly stir our water in. We don't want to splash, because if we get this on our clothes, it stains them, okay? All right, so we got the yellow first, and then we're gonna stir up the red. And then we're gonna go on to the blue. Look how deep and rich those colors are. And these are actually called primary colors. So these are the basic primary colors that we make every other color out of. So what we're gonna do is I would like to see it go from one to the next to the next. So what is your hypothesis? What do you think is gonna happen? I'll give you a minute. Okay, I think that they are going to turn into orange, and I think they're gonna turn into purple, and I think they're gonna turn into green. All right, so let's see what happens. So I took my paper towels and I twisted them all up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the red and put that in the red, and then I'm gonna start over here with the yellow, and then I'm gonna put some into the blue, and you're just gonna kind of drop them in there. You don't have to do too much. And then as you can watch, do you see that happening? Do you see that color traveling up the paper towels? See the yellow traveling up the paper towel? And the red takes a little bit longer. I think we might actually have to go back. There we go. I couldn't get it open. Let's put a little more red, because this one's a hard color to see. And then, just because I'm curious, I went ahead and made a shape out of paper towels. Do you see that? And I'm just gonna put it right in the middle and put a couple in each one, because I'm interested to see what will happen on this knot. I don't even know. Okay, do you see it traveling? So we're gonna leave that there for a while, and Teacher Jen's gonna come back in just a little bit. Oh, look, I see progress. Do you see it? Look over here. I think almost the colors are gonna match. Let's just give it a minute. Let's push them in a little bit more. And what's happening is that paper towel is absorbing the water, and it's traveling up into the paper towel. Look at this blue go. Do you see it? Oh, right here. That yellow and blue is about to meet. Let's see what happens. Over here. Let's move the camera. Do you see that red and yellow are so close, and that red and blue, do you see it still working on it? And then all the way up into here. Look. What's your observations? What do you think is going to happen now? Let's give it a minute. Let's keep looking. Oh, that yellow and blue has now met. I wonder what's going to happen. What is your scientific guess or your hypothesis? Keep watching. Isn't it amazing how quickly it travels up the paper towel? It's because the water is very wet and the paper towel is very dry, and that's their properties, and they want to combine properties. Look over here at the red and the blue. Do you see it moving? And our yellow and blue have met now, so let's see what color develops right there. And over here, do you see the red and the yellow? They've actually met too. And then in our center, it's all the way up to each of the sides, but our center is still a blank canvas, right? Okay, we're gonna take a little break and Teacher Jen will be back later with you and we will see what was the actual outcome. What is the conclusion? Was our hypothesis correct? Okay, see you soon. Look at this, my friends. It's been about an hour since we were here and checking on it. So the yellow is all the way over. The red is more like a pink, but it's all the way over. And the blue is all the way over. And we have a light bluish green. Look at the rainbow in the center. And then we come over here. It's more like a light pinkish orange, like a peach. And then over here, they're just starting to combine. So we'll have to let it sit here for a day or so and come back with a better result. So we'll check back soon. All right, my friends, it's been about another hour. Go ahead and take a look at that. Look at those colors. Going into it. Pretty cool. Look at that tie-dye effect. All right, thanks for joining me. And we're gonna see you soon. Bye-bye.